top tips on how to use Dremel cutting wheels, with the second tip being my absolute favourite. And make sure you stick around for the bonus tip at the end, because that can save you time. Now, if you're an old hand at DIY, the Dremel is likely already part of your toolbox. The Dremel has been a staple in workshops and crafting rooms and sheds since 1932. Among their incredible array of accessories is the Dremel Cutting Wheel. It's a true standout. It's efficient, precise and incredibly versatile. Perfect for any project that you have in mind. But why choose a Dremel Cutting Wheel? What sets it apart from other cutting tools? Well, that's what I'm here to share with you today. Let's kick things off with tip number 1, understanding your tool. The design of the Dremel Cutting Wheel is compact and perfect for precision work. It can handle straight or curved cuts on a range of different materials. One thing I love about Dremel is that they understand that one size doesn't fit all. There are different thicknesses of wheel from 0.6mm to 1.6mm, and there are wheels for a whole range of different materials, from metal to ceramic to wood, glass, tiles and PVC. You really have a whole toolbox in just one tool. Moving on to my favourite, tip number 2, mastering your cuts. Preparation is key here. Mark out your cut and secure your material. Choose the right wheel for the job, switch on your tool and set the speed, and then gently guide the tool along the line. Remember, don't force it, let the tool do the work. Patience is a virtue and it'll help you achieve the perfect cut. And a pro tip for you all, always keep your cutting wheel perpendicular to the material for more control and cleaner cuts. Remember, the Dremel cutting wheel is about finesse, not force. For the third tip, we're focusing on safety and maintenance. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when using your Dremel cutting wheel, and make sure your work area is well lit and ventilated. After each use, clean your wheel and remove any debris, and store it in a safe, dry place. To extend the life of your Dremel, make sure you use it at the recommended speeds and regularly check it for signs of wear or damage. And there you have it, your very quick guide to mastering the Dremel cutting wheel. No matter if you're new to DIY or you're a seasoned pro, this little dynamo is just what you need to transform your most creative visions into reality. But I did promise you one more bonus tip that would save you time, and here it is. Have you heard of the Dremel SpeedClic EZ locking system? Well, if not, it's high time you did. The SpeedClic EZ locking system is a game changer, trust me. You'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. Why? It's all about convenience and speed. This system allows you to change the cutting wheels in a jiffy without using any tools. It's just a simple pull, twist and release to swap out cutting wheels. So if you're in the middle of a project and realise you need a different cutting wheel, no problem. The SpeedClic system has you covered. So that's my special bonus tip for you. Invest in the SpeedClic locking system. Your projects and your sanity will thank you. You'll find affiliate links in the description box below to purchase any of the items that I've talked about today in this video. When you use these links, you're helping to support my channel at no additional cost to yourself. Plus, you'll be getting your hands on some top-notch products. And with that, we wrap up our Dremel adventure for today. If you're not part of my Dremel community yet, well, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and join me on this amazing journey. Love you.